this is my barnacle. I don't know his name, so I cannot read English so well. And it doesn't say his name actually. Never mind. He has 47 pieces. It says right here. So, anyway, let's check out his back. So, this is his detail. You can put the spider in the box, and you can shoot some missiles. And this jackal just inside. Okay. So this is all the pieces I'm gonna use. So let's see that stuff thing. Anyway, it looks like it's kind of easy, but it's kind of hard. So here we need lots of pieces to make these stuff. So first I need this, and this, and I need this. So it's kind of quite easy. So first, it looks like I need to do this, yeah. And put this number 3. It's kind of hard to do like these stuff, like if you do the normal hand. So actually, I made this movie in 2009, and this is number 8745, so I sold. So I'm making a sold spider. So I done number 1, and next number 2. I need to put on a special piece like this. I think you cannot see that well, but anyway, I need a cool barnacle. So it's like here, and I'm gonna get these 2. So I need this 3 pieces. First I put in this, and now I'm gonna lock it with the number 2. Okay? So it's quite hard to do like these stuff on. So just right now my dad just laughed at me. That's funny. Anyway, never mind. And these kind of spiders you cannot see that much, but like this toy store you can see like in a supermarket, like easy. I think so. So let's check out the next supermarket. Never mind. So I need to do like the same thing, what I just did. Yeah. I didn't make these spiders before in my whole life, so I'm not good at making spiders. And now I need these 2 pieces. So I think you don't want to hear like the pieces, so I'm not gonna tell the pieces anyway.